Hi guys, today we are going to show you how to make a Quinoa-Pasta-Vege Dish for your parrots. I am so excited about this video because so many people have never seen quinoa or even know what it is. So let's talk about that first. This is quinoa. That's what it sounds like. Quinoa is actually packed with ingredients. It is loaded with vitamin E, vitamin B. This is a tricolored quinoa, calcium, iron, potassium, and so much more. It is a wonderful grain to feed to your parrots, especially ones that are lacking in calcium or iron. This is what you want to feed them. So the way I cook quinoa is I will get a saucepan, put 2 cups of water, bring it to a boil, then a simmer. Then I'll add 1 cup of quinoa. I will cover it, let it simmer for 12 to 14 minutes. Once it has fully absorbed the water, it is ready to go. So that's the quinoa. So we already have it cooked and ready to go. Then we are going to add pasta into the bowl. There are so many awesome kinds of pasta out there, you guys, that are gluten-free and wheat-free. Today we are using lentil and peas. And what I love about this True Roots pasta is when you look at the back of the ingredients, what you see is organic red lentil flour and organic green pea flour. That's it. That's awesome. Another way to sneak healthy food into those picky beets. All right, let's get started now that I've explained it. So first, Baby and Puffy have already started. We are going to add our quinoa. We're going to put it in here, you guys. And it's really pretty. I went for the tricolor. I don't know if you can see it. This is what we're going to use. And so we're just going to add it. And then we are going to add our lentil and our pea pasta. Woo! Thomas, what's happening? They're getting wild in here. So we're going to add our lentil and our pea pasta in the bowl. It has already been pre-cooked. Oh, I see what's happening. Maui's here! Woo! Okay, and then we are going to add, let me put Mausers over here. Flaxseed. Flaxseed is so wonderful to add. Let's add flaxseed. My birds love it. Then I'm going to do yellow squash, Italian squash. This video is wild. Birds are coming out from everywhere. Oh, carrots. Look, should we add the carrots? What do you think? Do you want to try it out? Yes? Then broccoli. Broccoli's wonderful, and they're going to eat it. What do you think? Yeah, let's add it. And one of my favorite, and Miss Victoria Cockapoo's favorite, purple sweet potato. That's what it looks like. So what I did was I fully washed the purple sweet potato. I poked a few holes, wrapped it in a paper towel, wet it, and placed it in the microwave for about 4 minutes. And it became soft, peeled it, and now it's in the bowl. And then we're also going to add a little bit coconut oil in moderation of coconut oil. There we go. Just like that. We're going to mix it in really good, and a little bit of curry powder just to spice it up. Okay, so now we're mixing. Here we go. So this is what it looks like. It's really pretty. What do you think, baby? It's pretty, huh? We actually just ate one. What happened over there? Somebody knocking something down? So now, if you only have 1 parrot, that's a lot of food for 1 parrot. So what you can do is, somebody is in a destructive mood back there, and that's Maui. He loves to take the paper out of the bottom of the cage. So this is what I also like to do when I make too much, or I want to save it for another day. I will put it in an ice tray, just like this. And then I will put it in a freezer bag and in the freezer. And it'll keep for a month or 2. So that's what you do, and when you're ready, you just pop out an ice cube, let it thaw, or microwave it just for a few seconds. Now, the important thing is if you have warm or hot ingredients, you want everything to fully cool before you stick it in the refrigerator. And you want to mix it around a little bit because bacteria can grow and make these guys sick. If you found this video fun and educational, please like and subscribe to our channel, Parrot Playhouse. See, so, how do you think Baby and Puppy did? I think Baby was falling asleep through part of the video. Yeah, I do. He wasn't as energetic as you guys. You guys come out, you bring it, lots of lemons. Yes, you helped me stay on track. He was on the phone. She almost pooped in the food.